What's up guys, my name's Josh, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a QNAP NAS, that's a network attached storage device, and we're going to be installing an expansion card. It's a pretty easy process, but you need a little bit of know-how, so I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. This is the QNAP we're going to be working on. It's model number TVS871. The first thing we need to do is unscrew the cover. There's a total of 6 screws, 2 on each side and 2 on the top. Once the screws are removed, we'll have to finagle the cover off. I had to use a flathead screwdriver here to gain a little bit of play in the cover. It's pretty tight, but it just slides on with some hooks. So the idea here is to pull straight back towards the rear of the unit. Once it's loose, it'll pop straight off. Lift up and set the lid aside. If your device has already been used, this is a great time to clean it out with some compressed air. Now we need to remove the expansion slot cover. It's a simple Phillips head screwdriver. As you unscrew, make sure you hold the cover in place so it doesn't fall into the unit. Now we can open the expansion card. The link for this particular card is in the description of this video. Pull the card out of its static bag. As you can see here, it's a pretty tight fit, so just be careful. Align the card with the slot you chose to install it in, and press it in once the pins are aligned. This is how it should look when it's correctly installed. Use the screw from the original slot cover and install it into the network card. Now it's time to reinstall the cover. Here you can see the 2 tabs that are on each side of the cover that hook it onto the case. Mount the cover onto the case very carefully, making sure that the back bent part is just outside the rear of the case. This is a little bit of a struggle just to align everything and keep it tight. I had to kind of press on both sides and the top at the same time, and then just try and align each side independently, and then just push really hard to get the cover to lock into the case. Now we can replace the 6 screws on the back, make sure they're pretty tight. Here's the unit with the expansion card installed. Well, that project was pretty easy now, wasn't it? If you like what you saw today, hit like, hit subscribe, and share with your friends. And check out the videos in these playlists, and don't forget to stay for the bloopers. We'll see you next time. It's a network expansion card which will boost this thing from 4 ports to 6. They're Hey everybody, my name's Josh, welcome back to the channel.
Today we're gonna... Dog.